Hi yoga friends, I'm Jen and thank you for joining me for yet another yoga video. Today I want to take you through some things, some postures that have really helped me when I've suffered from lower back pain. So I have chronic degenerative arthritis in my spine, a couple of other things going on. And through yoga and learning how to rest it and strengthen it have really helped me maintain a lifestyle with my family, my children, that has been fabulous. So on the days that I'm feeling particularly tight, sore, and uncomfortable, these are some of the postures that I take, and I hope that they are of value to you. So for this, we're going to need a chair, and it's preferably a card chair or a table chair that has space here in between, and that you can take your legs underneath. Now, our very first posture, we're going to come here to face the chair, and we're going to take our legs underneath. Now, you can also take your feet here a little bit wider, your legs wider than the chair distance. That can feel nice. And you can also use a blanket. So for those of you who are quite tight through the hips, taking a blanket and then just sitting on it, sit bones firmly resting here on it, we come into a forward fold. So we take the chair underneath, and depending on your flexibility, you might want to have the chair closer or further away. So for this one, I'm going to start with the chair fairly close. I'm just going to take my forearms to the top and maybe just curl down over top of it. So go ahead and give this a go. You want to rest your forehead down, and then bring your focus onto your smooth breath. After a couple of breaths, you may say to yourself, I'm ready to go a little bit deeper. So with these postures and with releasing the spine, it's all about moving deeper into the posture as your body frees up and creates space. Now, another variation that you can take here that may really help you is taking a slight bend to your knees. And if you're going to take a slight bend to your knees, then you're going to take your legs wider than the chair. The heels dig into the floor. Sit bones firmly plant here on the edge of your blanket and bow forward. You can straighten the legs to your comfortable capacity as well. And again, over time, maybe just taking that chair further away. So these are the options. And I always like to hold these ones for anywhere between 2 to 5 minutes. And that's where you'll see the benefit come in, and you'll find the easing here through the spine. These forward folds are very nourishing for the body and for the immune system. And I encourage you here to really focus on the breath, allowing your abdominal center to be soft as you inhale, taking that breath all the way up through the side ribs, and the front and the back of the chest, in between the shoulder blades and the back of the body, and exhaling with ease. Once you come into that soft, smooth breath here, just allowing your mind to follow the wave of your breath. And as you sit in stillness and the breath becomes a bit more calm, a bit more smooth, you'll notice that the mind also starts to settle as it follows the wave of the breath. Perhaps it too becoming a bit more calm. Noticing here the spaces in between thoughts. Holding or folding further forward here as you rest your head forward, just to take a blanket there. You can see here that I'm holding the sides of the chairs, the leg of the chairs here, and that can just help lengthen through the spine. Let's go ahead and take 8 more smooth breath flows here. See if you can create some softness through the backs of the legs, the tops of the legs, and the toes. See if you can create some softness here through the back of the hips, the spine, the shoulders, and the face. You may notice that you're becoming a little bit more at ease in the posture. Maybe you can lower a little bit further like I am, and maybe taking the elbows to the floor and resting the forehead here into the hands. Inhale, a sense of lightness filling up through the body, and exhaling, sense of surrender and softness. Last breath or two here. Now again, you can choose to stay here if you like. Maybe pause this video and hold for another 5, 10, 15 minutes if it's serving you. If you are ready to release, then wherever you are, using your hands to support you, you come back into your seat. Lengthening through the spine, maybe lifting up through the shoulders here and taking the hands behind you. Release your feet from the chair if you still have your feet underneath. And then we'll bend the knees and take them in towards the chest. From here, with the palms behind you, fingertips away, just drop those knees right and left to your comfortable capacity. Notice if there's any freeing up here, any sensation of freeing up through the spine, the lower back, sense of squeezing the shoulder blades, lifting up through the heart. And we get ready to move into our second posture, and it's going to be our final posture for today as well. So this posture, we're going to use the chair again, and again, this one's really nice for resetting that lower spine, the lower sacrum, lumbar. I use the blanket here on the edge of the chair, just to give a little height as well as cushion for the back of the knee. And what we're going to do is come sit up nice and close to the chair. We're going to swing the legs underneath that headrest. And then we're going to lower down onto the forearms and lay down. Now it takes a couple of moments here to settle into the posture. You want to have a straight line from your knees to your hips. And the chair just supporting the legs, the sense of widening, releasing, and stretching the lower back. Make sure you're not holding any tension through your abdominal organs. And we just turn the palms here up towards the ceiling. Draw the shoulders gently away from the ears. And close your eyes. Bring the focus again back to that smooth flow of your breath. Cultivating that sense of ease and softness with every inhalation. Sense of lightness through the top of the body. As you exhale, releasing tension, feeling your body sink a little bit deeper into the floor. Actively letting go any tension through the lower spine. And as we draw our focus here onto the smooth flow of our breath, we maintain this awakening consciousness, that in between sleep and awakening. Allow the breath to be subtle the mind to follow the subtleness of the breath. If you like, if you're holding tension, maybe emotional tension, or perhaps even deep physical tension, as you exhale next, part your lips. And maybe sigh, releasing the breath. Let's go ahead and take 4 deep belly breaths in and 4 sigh exhalations. Return now, just your natural breath settling into the stillness. And again, friends, you can choose to stay here for as long as you like if this feels good for your spine. You can hold these postures from anywhere between 2 to 20 minutes. So again, just remembering that you can stay here for as long as you like. And gently, if you're staying with me, start to move out of the posture. So as you move out, you start to move the fingers and the toes. And as you draw the knees here back towards your shoulders, maybe just taking the soles of the feet to the edge of the chair, maybe hugging the knees in. Draw the navel to the spine, tuck your chin towards your sternum, and half sit up here. We'll release by rolling to the right or the left, resting your head on that bottom forearm. And then gently pressing down with your top hands, making your way back to a comfortable seat. So I just want to say thank you again, friends, for joining me, for allowing me on your journey of healing and of yoga. And I'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment or subscribe if you found great value in this. And remember to click the bell so you don't miss out on any of our newest videos. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Namaste.